So I bought this from AutoZone. Cost about like $12. Basically, it helps you do your brake lines. This is my bike, 86 Honda Nighthawk 450. You're gonna need a 12 millimeter wrench and a 12 millimeter socket. Get those bolts off right there. Take off the old master cylinder. Now you want to loosen that bolt right there. Right there, loosen that up. Make sure you drain the brake fluid. Turn that thing like a 1/4 inch and put that knob thing on there and get all the brake fluid off before you take the master cylinder off. Otherwise, you're going to have a big old mess. I'm telling you. I didn't make a mess, but I'm telling you will. Now, basically, connect that tube. That's what you're going to want to do. And then loosen it up. Now, you loosen it up crazy, well, you're going to have a big mess too. So don't do that. And then you're going to squeeze, boy. I took that thing off.
Goes on right there.
Put that in a little towel.
Then
put it on the brand new one, man.
It's gonna be,
screw that old one, man. That thing's bad.
My bike.
Bad. Old school bad. Old school. Fuck that. You're gonna take those two little connector things.
As you can see,
you want to undo those. Make sure you know the right order. Those are the connectors and all that. Make sure you got them connected up. Take them off correctly. Make sure you remember which wires go where. And now that's a new one. I put the new one back on, tighten up, put the washers on there, and then tighten everything up. All that.
Put the washers on there. Let's see right
there. Put the nut on, the washers.
Tighten this up.
Tighten it up.
Put this
decently tight, not over tight. Put the mirror back on. And what you're going to do is wrench it on.
Put it on, take it off.
Then you're going to put that fluid back in there. Tighten that back up. Put the fluid back in there and pump.
Thing to it. On there.
Pump it.
Loosen up just 1/4 turn.
And
the brakes.
Everything goes as well. Now you got fresh new brakes.
Get that old fluid out.
You can stop.
Put the new one in.
Hella power.
Pump it a little bit.
Good
so
power.
Get some of the new fluid
no air in the lines and brand
up.
new.
Turn it out to the top.
Pretty
Open
easy.
It a little bit, try to
pretty
get
easy. Ain't gonna lie. It's pretty
out,
easy.
Just slightly doing it, and then you're good. Don't tighten this all the way.
Make sure everything's full.
Now you
put
get
the nut back on, the new brake lever, put the mirror back on. And yeah, I'm just turning that. I don't know what I'm doing there, but yeah, that's pretty good. And there you go. Super tasty. Super on. Super good. You're the mechanic now. Shh. This is a how-to though.
Every single other bike could.
All right, good job.
Brakes not really.
Don't mess it up though. It's too easy, boy.